Welcome to My Greatest Happy Good, where we embark on journeys of self-discovery and transformation. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of money affirmations and the money mindset, all set against the backdrop of a serene, mystical beach. Get ready to unlock the secrets of wealth within yourself as we walk along the shore of abundance. Let's begin this magical journey together. Now, close your eyes and imagine yourself standing on a tranquil beach. The sun is setting, casting golden hues across the sky, and the gentle waves lap at your feet. The air is warm, and the sound of the ocean is soothing. This beach is a place of discovery and transformation, where the secrets of wealth and abundance are revealed. Now, take a deep breath in and feel the ocean breeze fill you with a sense of peace. I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity. Money flows to me effortlessly, like the waves of the ocean. I am open to receiving the infinite abundance of the universe. My mind is a powerful tool for attracting riches. Feel the sand beneath your feet, grounding you in the present moment. I am deserving of all the wealth life has to offer. I attract money with ease and joy. Every dollar I spend comes back to me multiplied. I am in harmony with the energy of money. I am grateful for the abundance that is constantly flowing into my life. Now, picture seashells scattered along the shore, each one a symbol of the wealth coming your way. I am a powerful creator of my financial destiny. I believe in my ability to attract wealth and success. Money comes to me from expected and unexpected sources. I am surrounded by opportunities to increase my income. Feel the cool water touch your toes, connecting you with the infinite energy of the ocean. My financial dreams are coming true, guided by the universe. I trust in the magical journey of my financial growth. The universe supports my desires for wealth and abundance. I am aligned with the energy of prosperity. Visualize your life filled with financial freedom, joy, and prosperity as the sun sets on the horizon. I am grateful for the financial miracles that are unfolding in my life. I release all limiting beliefs about money and embrace abundance. My wealth grows every day, in every way. I am the master of my financial destiny. As you open your eyes, carry this serene energy with you. The ocean of abundance is always within reach, and your words are the tides that bring wealth to your shore. Repeat these affirmations daily and watch as the magic unfolds in your life. Thank you for joining me on this mystical journey. If you enjoyed this experience, please like, share, and subscribe to my Greatest Happy Good for more enchanting content. Remember, you are the creator of your own magical destiny. Until next time, stay magical and keep discovering your greatest happy good.